Target IIT 2020 JEE Main Chemistry NTA computer based test free access. In that book there is a link http entering. Yes friends, this is how you can open this test. All these questions are original NTA test, that is JEE Mains. Yes friends, you can practice this test online free. If you buy this book you will get links in that book. Number 1 is correct option friends. Once you finish you can submit this button and there you will get answers and analysis of your questions and marks. Submitting, you can go down and check all your question answers. Yes dear friends, please subscribe my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and don't forget to click on like button and bell button. Good morning friends, welcome to the series of joint entrance examinations mains 2019. Dear friends, I have taken this question paper from a book which is available in amazon.com. In that book there are links which are provided to open these January question papers of chemistry, where you can practice number of times of original chemistry papers of JEE Mains 2019. Dear friends, let us see how to open using that book. Dear friends, simply go to amazon.in. There you can type Target IIT 2020 JEE Main Chemistry. Dear friends, there you will get number of different types of books. Target IIT 2020 JEE Main Chemistry NTA computer based test free access, and taking this it opens like this. Dear friends, there are two formats are available. One is Kindle edition and other one is paperback edition. Dear friends, you can buy Kindle edition where you can read it online. Let us see paperback book also. Yes friends, this is Target IIT 2020 JEE Main Chemistry book, where NTA computer based tests are free access are available. In that book there is a link http forms GLE to Ksp GEA or you can simply copy from here, or once you buy a book you can type this address in Google like this http://forms.glenc then capitals 2xpza 2xpzadageh then small fg9. Like this you can enter all this, and simply I am entering. Yes friends, this is how you can open this test, and once you finish, yes friends, all these questions are original questions which are appeared as per these options also same as original NTA test, that is JEE Mains. Yes friends, you can practice this test online free. If you buy this book you will get links in that book. Once you finish you can submit this button and there you will get answers and analysis of your questions and marks what you get. Let us see the question paper. This is a computer based test. As you know, this IIT JEE entrance test consists of 3 parts. Part A chemistry 30 questions, part B physics 30 questions, part C maths 30 questions. There will be total of 90 questions, and the time duration of this test is 180 minutes, that is 3 hours, and each correct answer carries 4 marks, whereas wrong answer carries -1 mark. Dear friends, from 2019 onwards this test is completely online based test only, that is computer based test. Let us see the questions. Dear friends, question number 1. 8 grams of sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 18 grams of water. Mole fraction of sodium hydroxide in solution and molality in mole per kg of the solution respectively are. Yes friends, the correct option is 0.167 and 11.11. How? Let us see. Yes friends, as we know, molality of sodium hydroxide is nothing but 8 grams of sodium hydroxide is mole of sodium hydroxide is 8/40, that is 0.2 mole, and 18 grams of water, that is mole of water is 18/18, that gives 1 mole. So therefore mole fraction of sodium hydroxide is 0.2/1.2, that gives nothing but 0.167. So the option 0.167 is correct. Next, molality is, yes friends, as we know, weight by molecular weight into 1000 by, yes friends, 18 is going to give 11.11. Yes, so the option number 3 is correct option friends. Next, question number 2. The magnetic moment of an octahedral homoleptic manganese 2 complex is 5.9 Bohr magneton. The suitable ligand for this complex is ethylenediamine, cyanide, thioisocyanate and carbonyl. Dear friends, thioisocyanate is correct option. Yes, how? Yes friends, To get 5.9 Bohr magneton, how many unpaired electrons are required? Yes friends, 5 unpaired electrons are required. Manganese 2 means 3d5 configuration is possible for relatively weak ligand of this ligand. Among ethylene diamine, cyanide and thioisocyanate and carbonyl, which is weak ligand? Yes, thioisocyanate is weak ligand. So in presence of this thioisocyanate, manganese 2 plus is going to give 5.9 Bohr magneton. So the option number 3 is correct option friends. Next, question number 3. The element that does not show catenation is, dear friends, what is catenation? Yes friends, catenation is the bonding of atoms of the same element into a series called a chain. For example, carbon chain, yes we have, yes, graphite, diamond, yes we have carbon chain, and it is not shown by lead. Yes friends, lead is not going to form catenation. As we know, the catenation property in a group decreases. What are all these elements? All these elements are from fourth group. Yes, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Yes, lead is not going to show catenation. So the option number 4 is correct option friends. Next, question number 4. Among the following, the false statement is, it is possible to cause artificial rain by throwing electrified sand carrying charge opposite to the one on clouds from an aeroplane. Yes friends, this is true statement, but they are asking false statement. So the option number 1 is not correct option. Tyndall effect can be used to distinguish between a colloidal solution and a true solution. Yes, this statement is true friends. Lyophilic solution can be coagulated by adding an electrolyte, isn't it? Yes friends, this is correct option friends. Next, option number 4. Latex is a colloidal solution of rubber. Yes, particles which are positively charged. Dear friends, these are negatively charged. So the option number 4 is correct option friends. Next, question number 5. The correct structure of histidine in a strongly acidic solution, that is pH equal to 2, is, dear friends, histidine is an amino acid having imidazole ring. Yes friends, amino acid with imidazole ring. Yes, amino acids will be in the form of zwitterionic form. This is, but they are keeping this amino acid in acidic solution. Is it going to be in the zwitterionic form in acidic solution? No friends, it is not going to be in a zwitterionic form. So the option number 2 and 4 are not going to be correct options. What about this 1 and 3? Yes friends, in 1, yes, this NH is going to form a salt of NH. Is it correct? No friends, the lone pair electrons of this nitrogen, which is having hydrogen, is part of aromaticity. So these two electrons of this nitrogen are not going to form salt, whereas this nitrogen lone pair electrons are free to form H plus ions or salt with H plus ions. Yes friends, this NH will be as it is, and this nitrogen is going to form salt with H plus ions, and amine is going to be in the form of salt, and acid is going to be in the form of free acid. So the option number 3 is correct option friends. Next, question number 6. The major product of the following reaction is, what is the starting material? Yes friends, acetyl group is there, and 1 2 3, yes, 3 carbon, amine is there. What is the reaction first step? Sodium nitrate plus H plus. It is nothing but diazotization reaction. What is going to form? During diazotization reaction, this amine is going to give diazonium chloride, then upon H plus hydrolysis, it is going to give OH. Yes friends, this is going to be form OH. This OH upon chromium trioxide oxidation is going to form acid, COOH. Yes, this acid be deacylated. So deacyl compound will be the major product. So this is diacetyl and this is diacetyl. So these 2 and 3 are not correct. So among 1 and 2, yes friends, this cyclization, which is more favorable, ortho or para? Para is more favorable when compared to ortho, because ortho is sterically hindered and this hydroxy is bulky in nature. So this cyclization takes para to OH. So the option number 1 is correct option friends. Next, sodium chloride HCl and sodium A are 126.4, 425.9 and 100.5 yes centimeters square per mole respectively. If the conductivity of 0.001 mHa is 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5 s per centimeter, degree of dissociation of HA is, dear friends, the correct option is 0.125. Option 3 is correct option friends. How? Yes friends, yes, the values what they have given. Yes, HA is nothing but HCl plus NaH minus NaCl. So write down the equation like this. HA is equal to HCl plus NaH minus NaCl is going to give HA. So when you substitute these values, that is 425.9 plus 100.5 minus 126.4, what you are going to get 400 centimeter square per mole. Yes, substituting these values in 1000 K by m, that is 1000 into 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5 by whole by 10 to the power of minus 3 gives 50 s centimeter square per mole. This 50 divided by 400 gives rise to 0.125. So the option number 3 is correct option, friends. Next, question number 8. Molecules of benzoic acid dimerize in benzene. W grams of the acid dissolved in 30 grams of benzene shows a depression in freezing point equal to 2K. If the percentage association of the acid to form dimer in the solution is 80, then W is given that Kfe is 5K kilograms per mole. Molar mass of benzoic acid is 122 grams per mole. The correct option is 2.4 grams. Option number 1 is correct option, friends. How? Benzoic acid dimerizing in 30 grams of benzene, that is dimer. Yes, when you substituting delta F, forward is temperature is IKFF is nothing but 2 equal to 0.6 into 5 into W, we don't know, into 1000 by 122, that is molecular weight of benzoic acid into 30, that is nothing but benzene weight. Then you simplify this, I equal to 1 minus 0.8 plus 0.4 equal to 0.6 and W equal to 2.44 grams. So the option number 1 is correct option, friends. Next, question number 9. Chlorine on reaction with hot and concentrated sodium hydroxide gives, yes friends, option number 1, that is Cl minus and ClO3 minus. How? Yes friends, just write down the equation. 3Cl2 plus 6 NaOH gives rise to 5 NaCl plus NaClO3 minus plus 3H2O. It is nothing but Cl minus and ClO3 minus. That means in ionic form we can write it as 3Cl2 plus 6OH minus gives rise to 5Cl minus plus ClO3 minus plus 3H2O. So the option number 1 is correct, friends. Next, question number 10. The major product of the following reaction is the starting material. Yes friend, halogen is there and there is a ester group. Yes, is it going to disturb this ester? Alcoholic sodium methoxide? Yes friends, it is not going to disturb this ester. What about this reaction? Yes friends, alkyl halides, yes, especially tertiary alkyl halides undergoes elimination reaction in presence of alcoholic base. Yes friends, so the question comes, yes, this chlorine is going to be eliminated with H with hydrogen. So which hydrogen is going to be removed, whether this hydrogen or this? Yes friends, as we know Sage-Jeff's rules, yes, it follows E2 elimination mechanism as per Sage-Jeff's alkene rule. Yes, which is going to be more stable? Yes friends, this double bond is going to be more stable, so it loses H hydrogen from this carbon, so it is going to give, what is the product? Yes friends, option number 2 is nothing but CH3 CH and double bond, carbon will be same and CH3 is here and this ester is here. So the option number 2 is correct option, friends. Next, question number 11. The combination of plots which does not represent isothermal expansion of an ideal gas is, dear friends, as we know that isothermal expansion is PVM equal to K, that is graph C is correct. Yes, this is correct. Whereas PV is equal to K by Vm, that is graph A also is correct. But what are the graphs which are not correct? Yes friends, so B and D are not correct, so the option number 1 is correct option, friends. Next, question number 12. The major product in the following conversion is, yes friends, what they are taking? Yes, methoxy, and this is a styrene, nothing but one double bond, and here it is a methyl group. What they are doing? HB are taking excess and heating. As we know, this demethylation takes place in presence of strong acid like HBr. In the presence of excess HBr, this demethylation is going to take first. Yes, this demethylation is going to take. Next, what it is going to form? It forms a bromination of this double bond. What is this bromination reaction? Yes friends, alkenes always undergoes electrophilic addition according to Markovnikov's rule. What is this? Yes friends, this is the compound. Yes, H plus and Br minus is available. This double bond electrophilic addition reaction. Yes, this double bond adds to this electrophile of hydrogen. Yes, this hydrogen takes here. Why? As per Markovnikov's rule, yes, this is going to be more stable. This carbocation, where it forms intermediate of carbocation, this carbocation is more stable, so this more stable carbocation intermediate route is more favorable. Next, this bromine will comes and attacks here to give bromo, and this is CH2. So what is the product? Yes, this is OH and CHBr and CH2CH3. So the option number 2 is correct option, friends. Next, question number 13. The major product of the following reaction is what they are taking? Yes, cyclopentanone, and there is one double bond, sodium borohydride in ethanol. What is this sodium borohydride? Yes, this sodium borohydride reduces carbonyl compounds to alcohols, whereas double bond is intact. It is not going to be reduced by sodium borohydride. Yes, what is the product? Yes, friends, option number 2 is going to be the correct option. Why? Yes, this ketone is reduced to alcohol, whereas this double bond is intact. So the option number 2 is correct option, friends. Next, question number 14. The correct order of atomic radii is, friends, as we know in a periodic table, atomic radii, when you move from top to bottom in a group, atomic radius increases. When you move from left to right in a period, it decreases. But the options what they have given, nitrogen, cerium, europium and holmium, these are not from same group or same period. But we know that when you take nitrogen, cerium, europium and holmium, what is the correct order? Yes, we know europium is a lanthanide. Its atomic number is 63 and its atomic radii is 2.56. Cerium is a lanthanide and its atomic radii is 2.70. Holmium lanthanide, it is 2.47. Nitrogen is not going to be a lanthanide. It is an element with Z is 7 and atomic radii is 0.75. Dear friends, when you look into this atomic radii, which is the smallest atom of these elements? Yes, friends, nitrogen. Which options are showing nitrogen? Yes. So nitrogen is here, option number 3 and option number 4. And when you compare cerium and europium, which is going to be more radii? Yes, friends, europium is having more radii than cerium, so the option number 4 is correct option, friends. Next, question number 15. The element that shows greater ability to form p-pi multiple bonds is tin, carbon, germanium, silicon. Dear friends, all these are from, yes, fourth group element. Which forms greater ability to form p-pi multiple bonds? Yes, friends, carbon is correct option. Yes, friends, carbon forms most stable p-pi multiple bonds. So the option number 2 is correct option, friends. Next, the two monomers for the synthesis of nylon 66 are, yes, friends, it is a polymer. Nylon 66 is a polymer. What it is? 6 represents 6 carbons, 1 unit and 6 carbon of another unit. What are the compounds here? Yes, this is adipic acid. This is, yes, friends, hexamethylene diamine. What about this? Here how many carbons are there? 6 plus 6, 7 plus 1, 8. No, this is not correct. What about this? Here it is, yes, it is having 1 plus 4 plus 1, 6. But what about this? Here only 4 carbons, so this is also not correct. What about this? 8 carbons and this is 4 carbons. No, friends, option number 1, that is adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine upon polymerization gives nylon 66. So option number 1 is correct option, friends. Next, question number 17. The aldehydes which will not form Grignard product with one equivalent of Grignard reagents are, dear friends, the keyword of this question is one equivalent. One equivalent. Yes, friends, what is Grignard reagent? RMGX is a Grignard reagent, that is alkyl magnesium halides are known as Grignard reagents. So they are taking one equivalent of Grignard reagent and they are treating with some aldehyde and acid and ether and alcohol. Let us see. Yes, one equivalent of Grignard reagent, when you treat this aldehyde, is it undergoes Grignard reaction? Yes, friends, this aldehyde easily undergoes Grignard reaction. What about this acid and aldehyde? Dear friends, once you take only one equivalent of Grignard reagent, it first reacts with this acid and decomposes magnesium halide, decomposes to give COOMgX. So this one equivalent is not enough to form the product. So B is one of the correct option. Next, so ether and aldehyde. Yes, friends, this ether will not disturb Grignard reagent, so this will give the product, but they are asking will not give, will not form Grignard product. What about this alcohol? Yes, friends, this alcoholic H also is acidic, so this acidic H plus goes off and magnesium halide comes and sits here. So one equivalent of magnesium halide is not enough to form the product of this aldehyde. So the option which is showing option B and D. What are the options? B and D. That is option number 1 is correct option, friends. Next, question number 18. Given carbon, that is graphite, plus O2 gas gives carbon dioxide. Yes, delta R H equal to X kilojoules per mole. Graphite plus of O2 gives carbon dioxide. Yes, they have given delta R H minus equal to Y kilojoules. This is X and this is Y. What about this? Carbon monoxide, yes, plus of O2 gives carbon dioxide. This is Z kilojoules per mole. Based on the above thermochemical equations, find out which one of the following algebraic relationships is correct, friends. Dear friends, just see, carbon plus O2 gives carbon dioxide. Carbon plus of O2 gives carbon dioxide. Yes, carbon monoxide plus of O2 gives carbon dioxide. What it is? Yes, it is very simple. X is nothing but equal to Y plus Z. This is of O2 and this is of O2. So what is the correct option? Yes, friends. So X equal to Y plus Z. X equal to Y plus Z. That is option number 1 is correct option, friends. This question number 19. The volume strength of 1 molar hydrogen peroxide is, molar mass of hydrogen peroxide is 34 per mole. Yes, friends. As we know, 1 liter of this 1 molar solution is nothing but equal to volume strength of hydrogen peroxide. What is this? 11.2. Yes, friends. What is this? Yes, the volume strength of 1 molar hydrogen peroxide is, yes, 5.6, 60.8. No, friends, it should be 11.2 as per old STP. But as per new STP, it should be 11.35. So the option number 3 is correct option, friends. Next, question number 20. The correct statements among 1 to 3 with respect to potassium ions that are abundant within the cell fluids is or are: 1. They activate many enzymes. Yes, it is a true statement. They participate in the oxidation of glucose to produce ATP. Yes, it is also correct option. Along with sodium ions, they are responsible for the transmission of nerve signals. Yes, friends, this is also correct option. So 1, 2, 3 options. All 3 options are correct. So the option number 3, yes, it's 1, 2 and 3. So the option number 3 is correct option, friends. Next, number 21. The compound that is not a common component of photochemical smog is chlorofluorocarbons. Dear friends, chlorofluorocarbons are not a common component of photochemical smog. What is smog? Yes, smoke plus fog is nothing but smog. Chlorofluorocarbons are not part of this smog. So the option number 4 is correct option, friends. Next, question number 22. For a reaction, consider the plot of ln K versus 1 by T given in the figure. If the rate constant of this reaction at 400 K is 10 to the power of minus 5 per second, then the rate constant at 500 K is, yes, they have given a slope is minus 4606 Kelvin. Yes, ln K versus 1 by T. Yes, friends, just substitute these values in the equation. Ln K equal to ln A minus EA by RT, where you are going to get 10 to the power of minus 4 per second. 10 to the power of minus 4 per second. So the option number 3 is correct option, friends. Next, question number 23. An open vessel at 27 degrees centigrade is heated until 2/5 of the air assumed as an ideal gas. Yes, in it has escaped from the vessel. Assuming that the volume of the vessel remains constant, the temperature at which the vessel has been heated is, dear friends, it's a logical question. They are taking at 27 degrees centigrade. So we know 2 by 5 air escaped from vessel. Yes, they have given 2/5. Yes, 2 by 5 air escaped from vessel. Therefore 3 by 5 air remained in vessel, isn't it? At constant PV, we know N1 T1 equal to N2 V2 into T2. So N into 300 equal to nothing but N minus 2N by 5 into T2, that is 300 equal to 3 by 5. T2 is nothing but T2 equal to 500 K. So the option number 2, 500 K is correct option, friends. Next, question number 24. The major product of the following reaction is, yes, friends, what they have taken? Yes, some cyclic compound, and the key functional group of this starting material is double bond. They are treating with HCl. Yes, we know that HCl gas, what is going to do? Yes, double bond, that is alkenes always undergoes electrophilic addition reactions. So the electrophilic addition of this alkene undergoes like this: H plus and chlorine minus ions. So this double bond is going to give like this. So it takes H plus ions. Here question comes, where this H plus ions goes? Yes, just now what we see? Yes, once we take this hydrogen ions here it is going to form carbocation. This is tertiary carbocation, which is more stable. If this hydrogen comes here and here it forms carbocation, is it stable? No friends, when compared to primary and tertiary carbocation is more stable. So the carbocation intermediate which is going to form tertiary carbocation is going to give the product. Next, this carbocation takes this chlorine ion to give this chloro here and hydrogen here. So option number 1, 6-member ring. No friends, there is no functional group or there is no withdrawing or donating group to open this ring. So there is no question to open this 5-member ring to form 6-member ring. So option number 2 also not correct. What about this? Yes friends, just now what I said, they are giving chlorine to this carbon. Is it correct? No. So the option number 3 is not correct. What about this 4? Yes, option number 4 is correct option friends. Next, question number 25. The increasing order of the reactivity of the following with lithium aluminum hydride is, yes friends, this is amide, ester, this is acyl chloride, whereas this is anhydride. Yes friends, so what about lithium aluminum hydride reduction? Yes friends, acyl chlorides easily undergoes reduction. So this C is going to be highly reactive. What is the option? Yes friends, option 3 is showing C. Option 2 also showing C, highly reactive. Next, what? When compared to ester and anhydride easily gives reduced product. So D is going to be the next correct answer. So D here. What about this? Ester and amide, which is more reactive against lithium aluminum hydride? Yes friends, ester is more reactive when compared to amide. So this B is follows next. So the option number 3 shows the first highly reactive compound is, yes, acyl chloride, then follows D, that is acid anhydride, then follows B, that is ester, then lastly react this amide slowly. So the option number 3 is correct option friends. Next, question number 26. The pair that does not require calcination is, what is the calcination? Yes friends, we know calcination is a process of purification of ores by heating them under controlled high temperature so that volatile substances will be removed by converting an ore into an oxide. Dear friends, what are the compounds? Zinc carbonate, yes, it can be calcinated. Calcium oxide, no friends. Zinc oxide, no. Yes, iron oxide, yes, it can be calcinated. What about this? Yes, calcinated. Whereas zinc oxide and magnesium oxide, already these are both are in oxide form, therefore there will be no change on calcination. Even if you heat at high temperature, this zinc oxide and magnesium oxide is not going to change. So does not require means zinc oxide and magnesium oxide is correct option friends. Next, question number 27. The major product of the following reaction is, yes, they have taken some dibromo 1,2-dibromobutane. What they are going to do? Yes, they are treating with alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH promotes elimination reaction. Yes, then they are treating with sodium amide in liquid ammonia. Yes, what is the intermediate? First step, it is going to lose this bromine and going to form this double bond here. Next, when we treat with sodium amide in liquid ammonia, this bromine also going to lose and it is going to form triple bond. This is, yes, 1-butane. So the option number 4 is correct option friends. Next, question number 28. If solubility product Ksp of silver carbonate is 8 into 10 to the power of minus 12, the molar solubility of silver carbonate in 0.1 m silver nitrate is, yes friends, the correct option is 3. How? Yes, as we know, silver carbonate gives rise to 2 silver ions plus carbonate 2 minus, that is 0.1 plus 2s moles and Sm. What is this? Yes, Ksp, as we know, Ksp is equal to silver 2 plus and carbonate 2 minus. What is this? Yes, they have given 8 into 10 to the power minus 12 equal to 0.1 plus 2s2, that is into s is nothing but s equal to 8 into 10 to the power of minus 10 mole. That is option number 3 is correct option friends. Next, question number 29. The upper stratosphere consisting of the ozone layer protects us from the sun's radiation that falls in the wavelength region of, yes friends, as we know, ozone layer protects us from ultraviolet rays. Yes, what is the nanometer of ultraviolet rays? Yes friends, it should be below 400. So what are the options? 0.8 to 1.5 nanometers, no friends. 200 to 350 nanometers. So the option number 1 is correct option, friends. What about these two? 400 to 550 nanometers. No, friends, this 550 comes into visible light, so this is not going to be correct, and so this is not going to be correct. And what about this? Yes, 600 to 750 is nothing but visible light, so this is not correct option, friends. So the option number 1 is correct option, friends. Next, question number 30. If the de Broglie wavelength of the electron in nth Bohr orbit in a hydrogenic atom is equal to 1.5 pi a0, that is Bohr radius, then the value of n by z is, dear friends, 0.75. How it comes? Let us see. 2 pi r equal to n lambda. Yes, according to de Broglie's hypothesis, 2 pi r equal to n lambda. 2 pi a is nothing but n square by z equal to n lambda. 2 pi a n square by z equal to nl point n 1.5 pi a0, that is n by z equal to 1.5 by 2, that is nothing but 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is nothing but 0.75. So the option number 4 is correct option, friends. Dear friends, yes, once you finish all questions, just go back and check whether you did all question answers or not. You feel all questions are done. Yes, friends, while moving up and down, please don't use keyboard arrow keys, because your options are going to be changed. For example, I am using this arrow key in my computer, and this is going to move your answer like this. Don't use this arrow keys. Please use mouse only to move up and down on during your exam. Otherwise, your options are going to be changed. Right, friends? Simply once you feel all questions are done, then simply click on submit button. Yes, I am submitting. Yes, friends, once you finish this submission, yes, there is a chance to view your score, see previous responses, submit another response. Yes, friends, once you feel, yes, you can view your score. Dear friends, congratulations, you got all question answers are correct and you got 120 marks out of 120. Yes, friends, you can go down and check all your question answers. Yes, friends. Yes, friends, this is a video where you can watch detailed explanation of all these questions. Yes, you can click this video also while answering this question paper if you have any doubts. Yes, friends, all question answers are correct. This is how you can attempt this question paper number of times once you buy that book. Yes, friends, in that book I have given all these links. Yes, friends, if you want to practice, please buy that book from amazon.com so that you can practice this test number of times. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and don't forget to click on like button and bell button. Bye. All the best to your next exams. Thank you. Sayonara.